Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Today, I'm sharing a method to humanize AI content so it looks like it was written by a real person without getting caught by AI detectors. First, we need some AI content to tweak. I'm using ChatGPT here, but you can pick any tool you like, Gemini, Claude, whatever works for you. I asked ChatGPT, write a 200-word article about humanizing AI content. Make it sound natural and human-like. Done. Let's move on to checking if it's detectable as AI written. First, I'll visit ZeroGPT.com, a free tool that checks for AI-generated text. You'll see me paste the article into the text box and run the detection. The result will show a percentage indicating how likely the text is AI written. Next, I'll use another free tool called Winston AI. On the screen, you'll see me visit winstoni.com. I'll run the scan to check the results. Both tools will likely show a high probability that this article was written by AI, probably close to 100%. This means we need to humanize it to make it undetectable. Let's do that next. To humanize our AI content, we'll use a free online tool called Tenorshare AI, which is designed to make AI text sound more human. I'll link it in the description below, along with a few other options. On the screen, you'll see me visit the Tenorshare AI website and paste our AI-generated article, making tech feel human, into the input box. This tool offers 3 modes to choose from: a fast mode for quick edits, a balance mode for moderate changes, or an ultra-enhanced mode for deeper adjustments. I'll go with the fast mode since it's free and works well for this demo. One thing to note, the free version of Tenorshare AI limits you to around 125 words. Our article is 132 words, so I'll trim it down by removing a few words to stay within the limit. Once the text is ready, I'll start the humanizing process. Tenorshare AI will rewrite the article to add a more natural, human-like tone, making it harder for AI detectors to flag it. Let's see the results. Now that our article has been humanized, let's test it again to see if it passes as human-written. I'll copy the rewritten text from the tool and head back to ZeroGPT.com. On the screen, you'll see me paste the new version and run the detection again. You'll see the tool now indicates the text is mostly human-written, with a very low AI score, even 0%. This shows the humanizing tool worked. Our AI-generated article now reads like it was written by a real person, and it can bypass AI detectors, which is great for avoiding penalties or maintaining authenticity in your work. We generated an article with ChatGPT, tested it with AI detectors like ZeroGPT and Originality.ai, used a free tool to humanize it, and verified the results. Now your AI content can feel authentic and bypass detection, whether you're writing blog posts, essays, or marketing materials. What did you think of this method? Let me know in the comments, I'd love to hear. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, it means the world to me. For more tech tutorials, subscribe to Passionate About Tech and hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, Tech fam, stay passionate, and I'll see you in the next one.